Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons and initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mridula Karderu, mathematics teacher for standard 5th. So children, today let us take a quick recap on chapter number 14, perimeter, area and volume. So let's begin. Students, we have already learnt about perimeter of a square, rectangle and triangle in our earlier lectures. So let us take a quick recap on how to find the perimeter, area and volume. So first let us go to perimeter of a square. Now if we consider a square whose side is a centimeters. So if we consider a square, all sides are equal. So all the sides will be a and a centimeters, isn't it? So perimeter is nothing but the sum of all the sides of a square. So a plus a plus a plus a, we get 4a. So what is this a? A is nothing but the side, isn't it? So I will write 4 into side. Suppose if my side is 6 or 8 or any other number. So if I take 6, so 4 into 6, 4 6 are 24 centimeters. Here you can't sit on adding each of the side, isn't it? So if I give a larger number, it becomes a bit difficult for you to add, or it is taking a time. So this is a formula to find the perimeter of a square. Next we have perimeter of a rectangle. Again, when we consider a rectangle, here you will observe that the opposite sides are always equal, isn't it? So how we will find the perimeter? Again, add all the sides, that is L plus B plus L plus B. So L plus L, 2L, B plus B, 2B. As 2 is in common, we will take it outside and place L plus B in bracket. So 2L plus B is the formula to find perimeter of a rectangle. If I take example, length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 3. Now replace the values. Length is 4, breadth is 3. So 2, 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 7s are 14 centimeters. Similarly, we have perimeter of a triangle. So for perimeter of a triangle, if we consider a triangle and the sides are 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. So all that you have to do is just add the sides of the triangle. 3 plus 4 plus 5. You get the answer 12 centimeters. Now let us go through some examples. Find the cost of painting a wall of length 80 meter and breadth 15 meter at the rate of rupees 4 per square meter. So children, first what you have to find? You have to find the area of the wall that is to be painted. So area, when they have given length and breadth, it will be a rectangle. So write area of a wall is equals to length into breadth, that is L into B. Length is 80 and breadth is 15. So 80 into 15, you get the answer 1200 square meters. Next thing you have to do is find the cost. So the rate of painting is rupees 4 per square meters. So we have 1200 square meters here. So multiply 1200 into 4. You get the answer 12 4s are 48 and these two zeros. So rupees 4800 is needed to paint a wall of length 80 meters and breadth 15 meters. Next we have find the number of bricks to be laid in a square path of side 18 centimeters if the side of each square brick is 3 centimeters. So first area of the path is 18 into 18 because it is a square path. To find the area, it is side into side. So 18 into 18 square centimeters, and the side of each square brick is 3 centimeters. So area of each square brick will be 3 into 3. Again same formula is applied there, side into side. So therefore number of bricks that are required is equals to area of the path divided by area of each brick. So path is 18 into 18 divided by 3 into 3. So children, 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. Next, 3 ones are 3 6 are 18. So what is remaining? 6 into 6, that is 36. So the number of bricks required is equals to 36.